Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, got the Hulkster in the house. So Psycho Gemni is getting desperate. He's 0-2 in the challenges. So he made the raw egg challenge. 4 raw eggs in the glass and he just drank it. I never did this shit before.
Got the eggs right here.
These are like king size eggs, so
Supreme.
it might 4 eggs probably beats what he drank there. So Hulkster's gonna pour that shit in the glass, people.
Let's do this.
I never ate raw eggs. Oh god.
There's one.
Got the wrestling cat here for good luck.
There's 2.
Gemni, you fucking psycho motherfucker. Eating raw egg, you're a dirty bastard. Disgusting bastard. How many is
3.
that? 3.
Ready for this? Cat wants some eggs.
No, I'm not ready.
4.
Well, there you go, 4 eggs. Hopefully I don't puke. I got a puke bag in case.
Got a bar bag right here just in case, you know. Never know. Down the hatch.
Close enough, people.
Drank 2.5, 3 almost.
Almost 4. Close enough. Give me some likes, people. Let's beat this fucker.
Like this shit, right? Peace!